I've been posting 5 YouTube videos a week across 2 channels with my new digital advertising / content agency that I signed up to for about a month now. It's been about 4 weeks worth of content, and I wanted to show y'all what's been going on with that. So, ladies and gentlemen, welcome in. My name's Laura Mirth, and a digital advertiser, content creator, past 10 years. And if you're a marketer worth your salt / content creator worth your salt, you're going to know what Data Studios is. That's what you're looking at now. I have visualized how our 2 YouTube channels are performing on graphs. So we did this one a little bit ago, and it was kind of long, so I just want to simplify this into a couple things. First of all, we're not going to bury the lead on this at all. We're just going to dive right into this. If you're a smaller creator, what I mean by smaller is anybody below, call it 50,000 YouTube subs, anybody below a solid 200 concurrent viewers. This is stuff that I've done for my clients in my day job. I do marketing for the day job, and they've seen growth. I'm employing the same kind of strategies. Here it is. We're not going to bury the lead. It's right here. You have to post shorts and curated content to the same channel. Now, you're going to see a lot of bigger creators are going to have, like Tim, for example, Tim the Tapman, is going to have a dedicated shorts channel. This ain't the move for a smaller creator. Tim can post a clip with the caption fart and he'll get 10,000 views because it's Tim, because he already has this endemic audience, right? No one's going to be able, if you post a clip and you've got, like, I have 190 subs on our base content creator channel for now. If I post a clip that just says fart, no one's gonna, unless, hey, maybe there's some kind of demographic that has that kind of stuff or not really into that, but hey, so it's not searchable is what I'm saying. So here's what I'm talking about. You'll see here, up here on this top graph, is all of our curated episodes. Also read this as non-shorts, and they're getting pretty consistent views. You know, recently we've gotten way more because we've just been putting out very consistent, excellent content. But you'll see I wasn't posting shorts to this, and then I started. And this one hit pretty hard, about 5,000 views. Awesome. It was just a really good comeback short. I also, as an aside, I'm 99% sure that the algorithm will favor a new short. So put out a short and get a bunch of views, and then you kind of taper down. And you can kind of see that here where my shorts kind of went down there, whatever. But you'll notice that the views were already kind of trending up a little bit around November 22nd. But when I posted the short, the peak is now the highest it's been. It looks like 2 days. When was this? 25th. So a day, 2 days after I post the 5K view short, we have an all-time high for the rest of the views on the channel, to the tune of the recent video now has the recent day. This was I'm filming this on the 5th. So the recent day is the 3rd. We've had, again, a higher peak, and all due to we posted shorts. You can clearly see the trend pre-shorts is the peak is 32 and the average is something like 15, 16, whereas post the shorts posting, the average is like mid-20s and the peaks are like 65 views. This isn't a lot of views, I know that, but when you have a small channel, any kind of upward growth you're seeing is important. This can snowball, this can continue, because as the algorithm, as YouTube recognizes that you have authority, that's what is the best way I can call it without getting really into a lot of the marketing gobbledygook. If you have more authority on your channel, YouTube's going to give you more traffic, which is going to give you more authority, etc. You just keep on going up and up and up. So make shorts and curated episodes on the same channel. With that said, you're also going to see me track view percentage is very important. Our curated episodes, the view percentage, that is the average amount of the video every person watches, is about 20%. That's kind of low, but it's higher than it's ever been for us, and we're up about 40% comparatively to the previous 30 days. So that's really good. Our shorts were actually down only because we were posting shorts, then we didn't, and now we're back. So I'm ignoring the shorts for now, because if I make the date ranges longer, I'll just prove this to you. We'll go back 60 months. Excuse me, 60 days, 2 months. Then this graphs are going to update. This is Data Studios, God bless it. You see, we're still down, but it's down less because now I'm including times when I was posting shorts. Okay, so I'm not looking at the short stuff now. We're just looking at the curated episodes. So the second point really is make sure you're tracking your view percentage, because it's one of your primary KPIs when you're a brand new creator, because you want to see how much of the video your current viewership is watching. And here's what you do with that data. You take your sub to me graphic, your little spiel about, hey, by the way, like and sub to the video, and you put it within that watch time. What I mean is, for our non-shorts, the average watch time is like 4.5 minutes, right? So within the 4-minute window, I have a sub to me on YouTube graphic that pops up. You'll have seen it at some point. And also a come check out our Patreon graphic that pops up. We put the Twitch graphic a little bit later. because I just want to put the most important ones in there. And since it's on YouTube, I want to prioritize those. So that's how you can use this data. We also track likes, and of course, the more views you get, the more this trends up, and we also track comments. But for the sake of this video, I don't necessarily want to look at that. I do want to show you that the third point I have for this video is your main subscriber drivers. If you're a new creator, again, we defined what that is. Sub 10,000 YouTube subs, what sub 50K, I think. That sounds about right. Your main driver of subscribers right now, as of this video, December 4th, 2021, is going to be shorts. Don't just make shorts to get more views, also make it to get more subs. You can see that this has happened. I've done this on all of my day job clients. I have 11. I completed one of my 10 years with flying colors, and now we're down to 11 clients. So I was able to take one of my clients, and they were like, hey, we're not getting a lot of... trying not to, because I'm not supposed to talk about them, chat. So how do I say this about white labeling? We need more attention, they say. Time to put out content on your blog and on YouTube. Those are the main things that I talk about. We have all the content about blogs and YouTube stuff, by the way, on this channel. Subscribe and follow if you've gotten this far. Thank you very much. So anyway, one of my clients was like, how do I get more attention? I was like, you got to make YouTube shorts. You got to make TikToks. You got to make digestible blog content. So the blog content's a bit of a longer play. TikToks are immediate, but you have to keep up with it. So it's not as robust, whereas YouTube shorts are searchable. So if something's not trending now, it could in 6 months, a year, 10 years. You see a lot of these older videos that are 5 seconds and they're getting recommended now for whatever reason. So you got to make shorts because YouTube is incentivizing you to make them because they're driving them to more people, and it's their new app. This is how every system owner uses their new apps. When Instagram came out, they're pushing their Reels to everybody. The organic reach of Reels was insane because they wanted you to use it, right? They wanted you to they gave more of an even distribution, in my opinion, on those things. So point 1, make shorts on the same channel as your curated episodes if you're a smaller creator. Second point, look at your average watch time and view percentage and use them to know where to put your callouts. And third, make sure you're making shorts with the objective to get more subs because it is going to be your biggest sub driver. I literally give you 2 reasons to make shorts on your channels. Okay, if you want this dashboard, if you want to know how to make this dashboard for your YouTube channel, it's all free. It's all free. There's no free asterisk. I can show you how. If you want a video on that, press like, comment. We'll definitely put it down there below. If you enjoyed, make sure you also sub. We'll see you in the next video. Come on back. We'll give you some more value. See you soon.